Okay guys, we're back out on the patio, and as you can see the snow's gotten heavier. It's about 4:30, and it is starting to actually stick and pile up. Not too much yet, but pretty much that's it. That's the update. Okay guys, it's about 6:30, and the snow is coming down pretty steady. We have probably about 4 inches. I don't think you can see that because it's kind of dark because it's 6:30, but let's see, I can zoom. And that right there is the light that drives me crazy every night. It comes on and it goes off, and it comes on and it goes off, and my bedroom looks like noon. Okay guys, it's like 10 o'clock, and snow's really been piling up. You can see that's the edge of the patio, and it's still coming down. The blizzard warning just took effect, so it's officially a blizzard, and that's the wind. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah. There's the wind.